All right, we're back on this Mercedes here. This is a GL350, the diesel, 3 liter diesel. I'm doing is that this thing has a air suspension, and I got the struts out already, and the struts is right there on the side. Took me about almost 45 minutes to get that out on that vehicle. And you can see down there is a new airbag, so I'm replacing the airbag. This old one has a leak on it. Leaks from the side here, and then it leaks from the seal over here. There's an o-ring in the middle. And this video quickly show you how to take this upper portion right here. There's a snap ring inside, and you're gonna have to press this down in the middle, and then you'll pull the snap ring out. Should be out. I did a little bit of search on this online, and I came across on the website with awesome pictures and details on all the description. I'm gonna, if I have a chance to find that site, I'll post it on the links in the comments in the option below and the picture. It really helped big time. You need the special tools to push this down. It's like a plate triangle here, and then you plate, and then you push this thing down, and then you take out the snap ring. That piece that you push it down is right there. This is the new kit, and that's the snap ring right there that you take it out. Okay, that new kit comes with air fitting, 3 nuts, tap mounts, and the bottom seals, and of course the airbag. So I'll show you how to take this out of here. All right, I put washer in there right here because of that this combination wrench here, it's gonna slid off. So I use 14 mil. Kind of like I'm making my own brackets here. That's what this wrench is on here. And then put washer, and this is the nut that came with this. There we go. So it's like making my own bracket. Sits like that. And then I use something that fits inside this stubby thing. I use 11/16. Sit like that, and then I use a flat screwdriver. Go under the wrench and over the socket, and then you just push it down, and you can see you'll see a gap in here, and that's, you just don't need much force to push this thing down, just a little bit, and then you can see that the snapping is right there. There you go, it's out now. There you go, that's it. I don't even know if you're gonna need this style yet. You probably could push it down. You could probably push it down if you're strong enough, but yeah, that's it. Very easy. And now this thing should come out. See if I can wiggle it up. This thing is garbage now anyway, so yeah, I'm just gonna put a bolt in the middle there so I have room, a grip to pry this centerpiece. There you go. That's about it. This is garbage anyway because I got a new one in. What what seals the air inside here is this O-ring right there. And now there's a nut in the middle, and then you just zip those off, and then this bag will come out, and then this struts will slide out. All right, use 17 mil to take that center nut. Okay, don't lose this. It doesn't come with the new kit, so keep that on the side. That's it. This is the old one. It would be an he'll be, the bottom will be this steel, or yeah, it looks like steel washer, and then an O-ring. Make sure the steel washer first, and then the O-ring after when you install it. Came with the new one.